Cold showers. So, if you've been on YouTube long enough, you probably would have come across a video or two about people taking cold showers and then documenting their results. And I didn't think I would ever be that kind of person to ever do that, but apparently I am. So, why did I even bother getting into this? So, I was going across YouTube and I constantly seen people talking about cold showers from people like Alpha M, who took it for a week, then took it for a month afterwards and saw the results from there, from people like Nathaniel Drew and Andrew Kirby as well. So essentially I was watching a video about Andrew Kirby, and what he was talking about was Marcus Aurelius and his principles of Stoicism and his daily routine. So one of the things he said was about cold showers, and it just made me think about taking cold showers. So the following day I decided, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a cold shower. So I woke up, brushed my teeth, and as I'm going into the shower, I was just like, okay, I'm gonna do this, and I did it. So here's how I did it. So essentially, when I go into the shower, normally I have to wait a couple of minutes because the shower takes like a couple of minutes to heat up or so. So I just let it run, and then I go in the shower and just carry on as is, a nice warm shower. So instead of doing that, I just got in the shower and then turned it on, so then I would be cold for the first couple of minutes. And then after that couple of minutes or so had passed, then the warm water would come in afterwards. So it was a cold shower, but it wasn't entirely a cold shower. And the first day I did it, I remember it just felt horrible and painful. Like, I didn't even have that much of a mental build-up. Like, I knew it was going to be a bit sucky, but I just did it. I was like, 3, 2, 1, let's do it. But I didn't have that much of a mental, strain. Just saying, okay, you need to wait. Let's just think about this here. And I just went into it. And it just felt terrible. I didn't enjoy it. It felt painful. It woke me up. Definitely, I will say that. It definitely woke me up, but it did not feel good. Then the second day rolled around, and it also felt horrible and painful. But this time I had a little bit of a mental build-up. I was like, okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. And then I was just like there, shivering, like freezing a little bit. Because obviously it's cold water. So that's what was happening the second day. The third day to the 7th day, I had a mental build-up where I was like, okay, you ready? Okay, right, let's go do this. Took me a bit longer than just going 3, 2, 1. I was like, okay, are you ready? Sounds so stupid, but it just has to get that mental. I just had to get that mental build-up out of the way so I could do it. So I did 3, 2, 1, turn tap on, and just went through it. But the thing is that the feeling was okay. It still was cold, obviously. It still made me shiver a lot, but I was like, I'm okay. And this just was really interesting to me because the first couple of days just sucked. It still kind of sucks, don't get me wrong, but I don't think anyone enjoys cold showers. I'm pretty sure even Tom Bilyeu, even though he takes cold showers, he says that he doesn't even enjoy it. I'm pretty sure he said that. And the thing is, it was really interesting was that even though it sucked, I still did it. And it just it taught me a couple of lessons. And it gave me some good benefits. So let's just talk about that while I link it in to the lessons that I also learned. So the first benefit I immediately noticed was that I woke up instantly. Like if I was tired, like the second I get out of bed, I'm tired. I brush my teeth, I'm a little bit more alert. Then I get into the shower, normally, without the cold shower. And then I'm still feeling a bit tired when I get out. Then I just go through the motions of the day, have my cereal, have a cup of coffee, and I'm feeling a bit more energetic. And then as the day progresses, my energy increases, then obviously decreases as the day ends. This time, when I got into the shower, and obviously when I started just over a week ago now, and I started the shower, I was instantly woken up. The wake up that would have happened about 4 to 5 hours post waking up happened instantly. So that was the first immediate benefit that I noticed, was I just woke up, I was alert. And I was like, oh god, okay, this is happening. Instead of just going, okay, nice warm shower, no. I'm awake, right? Like that was like it just wakes you up entirely. Gave me a quicker and stronger wake up than drinking 2 cups of coffee in the morning would, right? The second lesson that I also learned was also discipline. So the reason being why I actually did it was as a discipline as a disciplinary thing. Just sort of like I felt like I wanted to discipline myself a little bit, so I thought, let me just try this out. And it takes discipline to actually do this. It takes discipline to go into the shower. It takes discipline to go against the comfort zone and just turn the thing on when it sucks. You know it sucks. It really sucks. You don't want to do it. You keep saying, okay, let's not do it. Like, come on, maybe I can have a day off right here. No, and you just still do it anyway. It gives you a little bit of discipline, right? So that was the second thing I also learned. And the final thing I actually really learned, because this has only been a week, bear in mind, I've not seen any of the other benefits that other people have said, like the immune system benefits. I've not seen any of these other kinds of benefits, like from it, like more energy throughout the day yet. I will keep going, but I'll check up after a month or so and see what happens, and I will come back, make another video saying here's a follow-up and here's what happened. But the third and final lesson that I really got from this was kind of a gratitude lesson, which was I kind of had a deeper appreciation for warm water, because normally we take warm water for granted. We go into the shower and we normally just turn the shower and we have to maybe wait a minute or so. Like for me, I have to wait a couple minutes and then it turns on and it's nice and warm. Whereas back, say, I don't know, 200 years ago, they probably had to get like freezing cold water. They had to get like candles. They had to heat it up, and then it would just be lukewarm water. It'd be tepid. I think that's the right word I'm using here. But it'd be lukewarm water. It'd be just okay. It wouldn't be like relatively warm water like what we have now. And by taking cold showers, it kind of just increased my appreciation, saying, thank God I have this warm water. It made me really grateful for that, actually. It's a really interesting thing, but that's just the third real benefit that I actually got from just taking a cold shower, just appreciating warm water more. Which I feel as though we take a lot of things in our life for granted. So it's kind of like a good little re-emphasis on being grateful for the things that we have. So yeah, those are pretty much the lessons. I mean, I woke up immediately, quick alertness. I developed a little bit of discipline from doing that, because it sucks doing things you don't want to do, but still doing them develops discipline within you, and having gratitude and appreciation for warm water, and I suppose on a grander scale then I guess the things around us. So that's the video for today. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to smash the like button. Be sure to drop a comment down below. I do read all the comments and I do respond to them. I do appreciate any and all feedback. And of course, if you're new around here, subscribe. We are 1 subscriber away from 50 subscribers. We are very close. So let's see if we can make this happen. But until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Peace.